What's up, guys? Today on Cooking with the Boss, I'm going to show you how to make the most banging appetizer that you can do anywhere, anytime at your house. And it'll make all your friends think that you were born and raised in Italy. And that dish is redneck Caprese Bruschetta. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? We back with another video. Today I'm showing y'all how to make a Caprese Bruschetta, and I call it the redneck version because it's my own making. It's a cross between the Caprese and Bruschetta. If you've ever had either, it's a great Italian appetizer, and you can make this for any occasion. I do it for whenever we have people over to eat dinner. It's a fun appetizer to make because it doesn't rely on you being good at fixing something. And what I mean by that is that everybody gets the chance to fix theirs their own way. And I normally just lay the ingredients out and let people make their own. So it's pretty cool, and it looks nice. It looks bougie, makes you look like you grew up in Italy. It's pretty sweet. So what I did here, I took 2 Italian loaves of bread. Just sliced them up, and I'm laying them out on a pan. And you already know we about to put that Sam's Club garlic butter on them. Let's get it. This is one of my favorite things to make. Me and my wife make this all the time, and she's actually filming this for me. We didn't even use a stand this time, so shout out to her for that. So what we're going to do now is get some of that garlic butter. You already know we're going to scoop it out. If you don't have this, you need to go to Sam's Club and get you some, because your boy uses it on everything, because I'm a garlic nut. And like I said, this is something we normally fix for a side, or it's just cool for people to be able to fix their own and eat while the food's getting ready for whatever the main course is. So we're gonna put it in the microwave, melt it down, and then we're gonna rub these bad boys down with it. Look at that. Smacking. Alright, so this is where the redneck bruschetta comes in. So I take some paper towels. You know, I don't have a basting brush because your boy's a redneck from Kershaw. So we use a little paper towel, and we do what we in the South call dab it on. So we dip it in the butter, dab it on, just brush it across there. Got some paper towels. You already know we're going to make it work with what we got. We don't need that fancy stuff. That's why this is a redneck Caprese Bruschetta. And if you're Italian and you're watching this video, I don't actually know if it's pronounced Caprese or Caprese. I've heard many different ways to say it. So let me know in the comments if I said it right or if I need to change my vocabulary. Let's see here. We get all these nice and basted up with that garlic butter, and then we're going to throw these suckers in the oven. Get that popping. Let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 380. Yeah, let's do that. Your boy, the boss, throwing them in the oven. Let's get it. And if you got some family coming over, you need something fancy to make that really ain't that fancy and doesn't take long, this is a perfect appetizer to make for your house. So what I got here is my ingredients. I got some salami right here. I got some pepper salami. I got some capicola, some olives, some mozzarella, and a little olive salad. I love olives, and you know you gotta have the holy duo, balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. You gotta have it. Let's get it. Them ingredients are beautiful. I normally lay them all out on a tray like this and just let people fix their own. But for the video purposes, I'm gonna show you how I make them. Let's get it. Beautiful. That peppered salami is off the hook. You can get pretty much all of that at Walmart in the deli if you need it, or you can go get the fancy version, cut at some fancy deli if you want. But I'm an olive freak. I gotta have all of the olives. Let's go ahead and pull these garlic bread out of the oven. You know your boy loves the good aromas from the garlic. And you want to just put them in the oven long enough to get them kind of crispy. We don't like them super crispy, rock hard, but some people do. And you do it however you want it, whatever you think is going to taste best at your house for your family and friends. So we got everything laid out now, and your boy's ready to plate it. Let's go. Take your piece of bread, and you just go ahead and start putting whatever you want on them. I'm going to start with some mozzarella, break it up a little bit. And like I said, you can do this however you want. And it's fun because everybody that comes to your whatever dinner party or Christmas or whatever, they're all going to build it different. They're all going to make one that looks different. And it kind of gives everybody something to do in the kitchen while you kind of mingle and wait on the food to get done. This is a go-to in my house. So, your boy loves the olives. So I got to have the olives. I want all of them. Put a little roasted red peppers on there. A little bit more salami. And I think we're going to make another one. Because you already know one ain't enough. Gotta have two. We're gonna make this one a little different. I'm just laying out the strips of mozzarella. I'm gonna fold some of this pepper salami over it. Make it look a little fancy, if you don't mind. Because your boy's fancy. The boss is fancy with it. Throw some more olives on there. And let's hit it with a little bit more of the cheese. Gotta have the mazza. It's like a so good. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little Italian seasoning, and then we gotta pop that holy duo on there. Hit it with some olive oil. You already know. Don't drown it. Just give it a little drizzle. You gotta hit it with that balsamic. And damn, if that ain't good. That's how you make a redneck Caprese bruschetta like a boss. Smacking, dude.